Hey, what's going on, guys? Rian here with Watt Hardware. Hope you guys are doing good and staying safe out there. I haven't built a PC on this channel in a long time, so I thought we'd build a $2,000 budget PC, and pretty much all these components except the fans and some accessories equal up to $2,000. You guys can choose what type of fans or accessories you want. Pretty much the main components here will be $2,000. So this is gonna be a three-part video. The first one is gonna be going over the components. Second, we'll be doing a time lapse of the whole build, and third, we're gonna be playing some AAA game titles, trying to see how this PC performs after building it. So let's talk about the main components first. We'll kick it off with the motherboard. This is the MSI MPG Edge Wi-Fi Z690 motherboard. We'll pair that with a 12600K processor by Intel. We'll also throw in ROG Strix 3070 Ti. For the memory, we got the Corsair Vengeance 32GB memory sticks. Storage, we're gonna be using a 1TB Samsung SSD drive. And power supply, we got the SuperNOVA 850GM by EVGA gold rated. And to cool down the CPU, we're gonna be using the ROG Strix LC2 360mm radiator. And to house all these components up, we're gonna throw it inside the Lian Air Mini. Now that we know what the components are gonna be, let's get this build going. Alright, so now that we got the system built, let's play some games. So let's check out the settings real quick. Let's look at what we got. So 1440p monitor, and let's go to graphics quality. Everything is set on high. VSync is off, and everything on the bottom here are off too. Match found. 3, 2, 1, go! But it already seems like we're getting around 450 FPS. Keeps hovering around 450, 423, 436. I already see. Come on. Guys, finally, headshot. Come on. Okay, we got at least two. We got two this time.
Reloading.
Oh, alright.
I know exactly where you are.
Last player standing.
Oh. Oh, my God. Oh. So let's take a look at our settings for Call of Duty Warzone. So got it on 1440p. And then we also enabled NVIDIA Reflex Low Latency at Enable Plus Boost. And here are the settings for the quality. All right, let's jump into a game. We're gonna play some Rebirth solos. Let's go! Come on, let's go, get out, stop hiding. Stop hiding, son.
One eternity later.
Oh, what? Let's go. Down you go.
Surprise!
Oh!
Fatality!
Hey, look at our performance, so 178 FPS. Not bad, not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. Oh, really? Nice, down this. Oh, come on, go, 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 go. Come on, let's go. Everything. Now let's go ahead and play a little Halo. All right, Halo Infinity. Hopefully, I have better luck with this game. So let's go check out our settings. First and foremost, let's see what kind of settings we got here. Setting. Video. Okay, field of view. So let's see, borderless full screen. No, we want full screen. So for the graphics settings, what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring the resolution all the way to the lowest because, as you guys know, Halo is not well optimized. So that's what we gotta do. Everything is on high except everything blur, screen shake, exposure, full screen effect 0. The only thing I got on is sharpening's at 60%. Let's do it. Oh, what's up, baby? Oh. Where you at? Where'd they go? Let's go, let's go. Down you go, son. Let's go. Reload. Didn't see me coming, huh? Where's everybody at? Where's everybody at? Oh, no. Come on. Come on. Down. Let's go. Next. Let's capture it. Let's capture it. Not today, buddy. Not today. Oh, grenade flew from somewhere. There is. That's that bastard. Victory is ours. All right, so for Apex Legends, we got 1920 by 1080. We're gonna bump that up 1440. Field of view, we got 110. And these are the rest of the settings. Let's get it.
Ahead, we talk of victory and slaughter.
Let's go. Let's see if we can get these wins. Come on, guys. I need your help. Let's get these wins. Get these wins. Oh, come on. Seriously? Oh. What? How? Alright, so for $2,000, you guys saw what kind of beast this PC is. Now, $2,000 is before taxes. If you add, the same type of fans and streamer cables, it would be a little bit more. But I left that part out because you guys can opt out and get the type of fans you want and get the type of accessories you want. That's gonna vary owner by owner. But I want to do this video differently and show you guys the performance that this beast can accomplish. As always, guys, I appreciate it. Thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe for more future content coming your way. And until the next build, I'll catch you guys on the next one.